Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 delete other apps. This drive has apps from another device error. Open File Explorer. Open Installation Drive. Create new folder and named as Apps folder or anything. Simply cut the Windows Apps folder and paste it into Apps folder. Rename WP System folder to wpsystem.old. Now you can change to E drive. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.